Hello mis amigas, how are you guys doing today? So I wanted to talk to you guys just for a little bit. I think this video is going to be nice and short, but the reason about this video is because I am celebrating myself because I have over 200 subscribers, and this is just an amazing feeling for me. And I wanted to pick up the camera and talk to you guys about this because I am so grateful for each and one of you guys for coming back and watching my video. Just like the love and support, it just means a lot to me. I just want to say this, mis amigas, that never ever in a million years would I ever thought that myself would even pick up a camera and turn it on and even talk to it and look at you guys and kind of like make this little small familia. So I know that sounds really silly and kind of ridiculous to say, but I have to say, mis amigas, that it takes a lot of freaking guts to even start whatever you're doing, especially like YouTube. And there's so many things, like, you know, people can see you and stuff like that. And that's what I'm saying, mis amigas. Like, I seriously never expected this for myself, and every time I make videos, it just lightens up my day and it just fills my heart. I think it's something that if you really love doing something and you enjoy doing it and you do it by passion and you do it with lots of love, it's like when it's meant for you. I always look at it that way, mis amigas, and I think I found what I really enjoy doing, and it's you guys, mis amigas. It's the fact that we support each other, we help each other, and it's just so crazy cool, mis amigas. I just cannot believe this. And talking to you guys and seeing your comments and saying like everything that you guys have to tell me about my videos, it just means a lot to me, mis amigas. Like, it's just crazy cool for me. That being said, I am just grateful, and if you have been following me for such a long time, you guys know that this has been one of my dream come true, and I just cannot believe it. And I am going to celebrate every milestone because it is true. Like, you have to start somewhere, you just have to begin. And I'm not saying just in YouTube, but just in general, mis amigas. Like, life goes right super fast, and you just have to enjoy every little moment, mis amigas. Enjoy every little moment, and if you want to do something, just do it. Like, you don't even know how terrified I was to even start this channel. Like, I was just so, like, don't get me wrong, mis amigas, I'm not 100%, and I'm gonna be truly honest, you guys. I'm still scared, and you know, like, fear, mis amigas. Like, do not let fear stop you on doing what you love to do, whatever it is, mis amigas, because yo les recomiendo, just freaking do it. Like, whatever makes you happy, just do it. Whatever fills your heart, just do it. Like, I always look at it this way, and I always tell my daughter this: you are never ever going to please anybody in this world. But what matters is if you enjoy doing, if you love what you're doing. That's the only thing that matters, mis amigas. And I'm telling you that with my bottom of my heart. In reality, just do it, mis amigas, because they're always going to criticize you. They're always going to tell you the bad things, even if you're doing good. Like, just freaking do it, mis amigas. Like, eso les recomiendo. And I'm just so thankful that I am here and I'm talking to you guys. And it's just like, como les digo, like a relief for me. Like, it just means a lot, mis amigas. You guys have no idea. So with that being said, mis amigas, I am just so happy that I am here talking to you guys, and we're growing, mis amigas. We're finally growing, and I'm just super excited. And like I said, baby steps will get you there. And I am so happy that I can finally talk to you guys and start over again. And it's okay to start over, because that's how we learn from. So with that being said, mis amigas, if you are new to this channel, welcome, and I hope you stay for long with us. And if you are a true supporter from the day one, I am so thankful for everyone, and thank you guys so much for being there. So with that being said, mis amigas, I'm gonna leave you guys here, and I want to just thank you guys so much again. Like, this video is just thank you, thank you, thank you, because it just means a lot to me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. Comment them down below in this video if you guys want. Feel free, mis amigas, because I'm here for it. Thank you guys so much for all your time watching my videos, and I will continue to do and work my hardest for you guys. Thank you, mis amigas, and let's grow together and let's support one another, because this world needs it. So remember, mis amigas, believe in yourself. You are a strong person, and just do it.